name is Favor Emmanuel.
My name is Prince Abel.
My name is Stella Emechinyere.
My name is Shira Bala.
My name is Dr. Emanuela.
My name is Pedro.
My name is Emmanuel Ofawoye.
My name is Endurance. My clients, they call me Eddie More because I give them more.
My name is Basirat Balogun. I'm a makeup artist, and ever since I joined GovaBoss, I've been able to bring my clients more closer to me.
I registered with GovaBoss, and it gives me the opportunity to be able to work from home and make a lot of money.
Hello, my name is Samuel Oyebamiji. I'm a businessman. I deal with GovaBoss.
I am a gynecologist and I joined GovaBoss recently, and it has given me the opportunity to work at home and has eased a lot of stress. I joined GovaBoss recently, and ever since it has been amazing. I have been able to work from home.
I'm an author, a book writer, and ever since I joined GovaBoss, my life has been easy. I've been working at home.
I be businesswoman. GovaBoss no be waiting you go dey run up and down they do. You fit one for your comfort zone. You fit dey your house they do GovaBoss. Just hold your phone.
I'm a fashion designer. GovaBoss has been my #1 platform in getting customers closer to me.
Na GovaBoss they do am go.
Come make money with us.
Come make money with us today.
So I urge you today to get registered under GovaBoss.
Join GovaBoss.
To join GovaBoss.
Join GovaBoss
Join GovaBoss today
and be your own boss.
Be your own boss.
Be your own boss.
And be your own boss.
Be your own boss.
Come join us at GovaBoss. Be your own boss. I'll see you on the boss's side.